Hi, welcome to tip number 24. Now this one's not exactly a tip, more of an experiment. Last year I cast some 2D Christmas trees with embossed writing on. So this year I wanted to try casting a 3D Christmas tree. So I sort of drew this up and 3D printed it out. Now this is almost hollow. It's got, I think, 5% infill and 2 walls. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into this metal cup that way up, fill it up with sand just so the top of this plastic is exposed, and just pour metal onto it and see if it will burn away this is PLA plastic, burn away the PLA just directly, rather than having to do the usual create a mold out of refractory material, burn out the wax or whatever, and then have a hollow mold which you then pour metal into. I'm going to see if I can make this just by directly burning it out. Now it's probably not going to work, but I just want to see how well it goes. So let's give it a go. Okay, that wasn't exactly a textbook pour, and certainly not a textbook pattern way of doing it, but let's let's have a look how this turned out. Oh, I think I've got my answer. Yep. Oh, it hasn't even... Oh, it's got some melty plastic and some smelly gunge. But yeah, so that doesn't work. So obviously, well, there are probably many ways you could do that better. What I think would be is if you had it upside down, you have a big reservoir underneath and the metal comes down into the reservoir. It's got lots of heat underneath, and then it can burn its way back up through, and the gases can actually escape towards the top. Of course, this way, as you saw, the metal kind of went on rather quick and probably plugged up all the vent holes that I put in, and meaning that the gas couldn't really escape, so the metal probably just didn't want to descend. But there we go, learnt something, I suppose. I might try doing it in a slightly more conventional manner next time, but there we are. Failure just in time for Christmas. Hope you have a good one, and I'll see you in the new year.